Hello, on behalf of expertvillage.com, my name is Joe. I own the Vug local jeweler in Salt Lake City. One thing I wanted to talk about is presentation. After you've made a piece of jewelry, or maybe you are getting ready to give away a piece of jewelry, it's always nice to use some kind of nice display, which most of the local jewelers or even the big corporate jewelers will sell you boxes, ring boxes, or whatever. Even some jeweler supplies will have nice presentations for your piece. Bracelets, it's always nice to lay out a nice bracelet in a box that's going to show it so that when it's opened it's ready for display. You can clearly see the stones and what it's made of. Necklaces will, set up and maybe throw some pins in so it doesn't move and transport. So when it's given, it's a nice presentation of the piece. Rings, it's really easy and very simple. A regular ring box is always going to make a really nice display for a ring. These are, simple and easy. These probably, a ring box can't cost more than $2 or $3, and it really makes a difference on how the gift is given. The main thing is that the jewelry is very clean, no tarnish, no extra polish on it or anything, so that when it's given, it's ready to go on the wrist or the finger or the neck.